Hi everyone, welcome back to Black Cat Kitchen. I'm Daniela and today we're making tofu chocolate pudding. It's not only rich, smooth, and super chocolatey, but it's vegan too. It's super easy and no bake. So let's jump into it.
You'll find a list of ingredients and measurements in the description below.
I'm using a firm silken tofu. It's the silken part that's important here. My food processor will make quick work of the firm tofu, but if you want to make this by hand, make sure you try and find a soft one.
Into a microwave-safe bowl, add 255 grams or 1.5 cups of dark chocolate. We're going to melt this in the microwave at 30-second increments until it's nice and smooth. Now let it cool. I'm going to slice 350 grams or 12 ounces of silken tofu into small pieces. It cuts easier than butter. Into our food processor goes our silken tofu, 30 milliliters or 2 tablespoons of oat milk or your favorite alternative, a splash of vanilla, 100 grams or half a cup of sugar, a sprinkling of salt to really elevate those chocolatey flavors, and we're going to pour in our cooled melted chocolate. Now the mixer does all the hard work. Spoon your pudding into individual cups, or you can even put it into a pre-baked pie shell. This recipe creates 6 servings or 4 very generous servings. And to make them prettier, use the back of a warm spoon to spread it out.
You want these to chill for about an hour, but you can make them up to 2 days in advance and they'll keep in the fridge. Thanks so much for watching. Please like this video. And if you're looking for more recipes that don't use animal products, check out this one here and hit that subscribe button there. Let me know down below if you try this recipe. See you in the next video.